talking about literally like Mr. Doodle and yes, exactly. A few people talking and did it rude.
Zing. Oh my god.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay. Acha. Okay. Sir?
Yeah. What are you doing?
Notice board, sir.
Oh, I thought it's football ground. Why are you doing 2 minutes Maggie in the air? You are a lizard. Go to the classroom.
Yes, sir.
Always roaming in the corridors. Bloody Sunny Leon.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Worst fellow.
Ready.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning,
Good morning, students. Did I ask you to sit down? Stand up right now. Hey, I was JKing. Oh, just kidding. Well, I'm a new electronics teacher. My name is John Paul Bujik. I'm a genius from Harvard University. Don't try to act smart. If you act smart, I will send you to Voldemort. Hey, Sunny Leon, huh? Understood?
Yes,
sir.
Listen up, everyone. I'm going to take your attendance now. And I'm telling during first half only, there should be no proxies, no firewalls, no system settings. Don't ask me during climax. Roll number 1.
Present, sir.
Roll number 2.
Present, sir.
Roll number 3.
Omnipresent, sir.
Omnipresent. I'm not asking if Marthy Omni is present outside. Just tell me you are present or not.
Omnipresent. Adjective. Meaning always present everywhere. I have 100% attendance, sir. I come to class every day.
Even on Sundays, Don't try to act smart. I am much smart. If you act smart,
Sir will send us to Voldemort.
hey, you're smart.
Yes, sir.
You stop. Okay, anyways, I'm giving you free attendance for today. Have fun.
Thank you,
Why are you not stopping, you non-cooperating operator? Okay, class. Now let's see how much you know about semiconductors. And whoever answers my questions shall get full marks in the mid-exams. Only if all the answers are correct. Okay, so here goes the question. What is an optical fiber and what are its uses? And by the way, even I have seen Viva, so don't try and give me answers like optical fiber is a very good fiber and it has many uses. If anybody tries to give such answers, I will hang them with the optical fiber and use them like carbon paper.
2 days. We'll go and we'll win the competition. We'll get certificates. It's a very big contest.
Okay, just as I expected, no one knows. Well, let me tell you. Well, optical fiber is a fiber which is made up of banana which is rich in fiber. And it's a long tube. Let me show you. It's a long tube. And if you throw a ball at one end, it will bounce and bounce and bounce and bounce and reach the other end. Generally, this is given to kids on their first birthdays, you know? What?
That is fallacious.
Fallish what?
Sir, that is wrong, sir. An optical fiber is a fiber which is made up of glass or plastic and is as thin as human hair. It is used to transport light from one place to another and works on the principle of total internal reflection.
Then why are you sleeping when I asked you in the beginning?
Bujik, sir.
Why are you putting irritating in my mind? Keep calm and follow me. Yeah, so what were you saying?
Sir, I learnt it on
Oh, so in the time I drew the diagram, you became master in optical fiber, huh? You can't cheat me, okay? I am too smart. If you try to act smart, I will send you to Voldemort. Huh? He's busy. He's still busy. Let's wait.
Sir.
Good job, huh? Hey, what's your problem, huh? Since I entered the class, I've seen you. You're talking to this girl, that girl, this girl. I'll put Nirbhaya case on you.
Nothing, sir. There is a college fest in Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans Institute of Science and Technology in Madikeri, Karnataka. And I need a partner for the fest. So I was asking around who would like to come with me for the fest.
Madikeri, I didn't even hear of that place. How did you even get to know that there's a place called Madikeri, let alone a college fest?
Sir, I saw an...
Now I'll really put an Eve teasing case on you. You're inviting girls to remote villages? Ooh. You nasty fellow, you're an alligator. Don't try to act smart with me, huh? I'm too clever. Cute boy. Ooh, you look front.
Shit. Sir!
What, sir? You always do sir? Is that your message tone or what? What is
Sir,
it?
my girlfriend is waiting for me. This is our first week anniversary. I have to go on a date.
I'm sorry, congrats, sir. You want some money, huh? Take my wallet, spend it.
No, sir. I have coupons and offers.
Coupons are your cupids, huh?
No, sir.
If you don't shut up and stay back, I will give you one bumper offer. This is the state of our country's youth. India's future. Always dating, chatting, texting, always on phones. Do you people even know what you're gonna do after college?
MS, sir. MTech, sir.
I'll work in an MNC.
MBA, sir.
Why MS and MBA, all these, man? Go to NASA directly, they'll give you a job. I bet you guys don't even know what your timetable is.
We all have Dabbler.
Okay guys, something is fishy. What is going on here? Why are you looking at your cell phones for everything?
We use Dabbler, a student companion app in which we get the information like
Daily vocabulary and aptitude.
Campus events and college fests.
career counseling.
Exclusive student offers.
Don't act too clever. Be a Dabbler.
Hello? Oh, band. Okay. Students, go and enjoy. Today's holiday. Go. You bloody Sunny Leon.
Sir, don't feel lampooned. Try to use Dabbler.
Hey, go and enjoy your band, man. Go.